Hey guys! Okay, first, I know you can only see a web icon, but that's because I couldn't find anything else to share, but okay. Yeah, sorry for the awkward pause. So I have an announcement. I'm officially going to start recording more videos, or at least I'll try to. And they're going to be a variation of Python and gaming, as you saw in my probably other video, which you can check later. So yeah, I'm going to be trying to upload more videos. Now, if the graphics or anything comes out bad, please do not start commenting about that. I'll try and edit and fix it as soon as possible. But yeah, now. Hey guys, this is a new Python coding tips video. So, as I said in the previous announcement, I am going to try and record more often, but I can't guarantee that I will. Now, on with the video. Again. So, today we're going to be drawing an L with turtle. Yes, I know you can just do this. But that's boring because it doesn't do much. So we will be using turtle to to draw an L. Now, first we have to import the turtle. And I'm going to name the turtle Tim. Oh, nope, that did not go to the right spot. Actually, let's see if this becomes an error. Okay, that did not become an error. So I'm going to name the turtle Tim. Now, whenever I write, I have to do Tim and then forward. If I do T forward, which is what you would normally do, it will give an error. It doesn't know what T is. So let's just say the turtle's named Tim, but I'm not gonna really write that since it's too tedious. I don't like that. So first, we're gonna start. We have to do this. This will give us a forwards direction so that we can now do a line. Now I'm going to do a 100-degree line because 90-degree just feels... Oh, wait. That's not... Okay, never mind. Actually, 150. Because 90 or 100, as you saw, is too small for my eyes. In my eyes, not for my eyes, sorry. I have glasses. I can see properly. Don't worry. Now, you can see that here I'm using 90, here I'm using 150. What's up with that? That makes no sense. For most forwards, I'll be using something that is divisible by 10, so that's easier. So that's just quickly. Just gonna point that out quickly. But yeah. So now that we have our straight line shown here, and I'm gonna actually move this over here. Okay, well, it disappeared. Never mind. Doesn't want to be with me. That's sad. Okay, sorry. Now we have to do right 90 degrees so that it will turn this way. Then we can do T forward 100. No, wait. T forward 100 would be too big. No, don't do that. Don't do T forward 100. Please don't. It's going to become too big. No, that's too small. See, I'm just experimenting here. Okay. For now, okay, fine. For now, we'll stick with 60. Should be big enough. Okay. Now, we have to turn right again. So that we can get it facing this way, and then we do. Also, quick note, most of the code will be T forward, like half of it will be T forward, just pointing that out. Yeah. Then we do. Now we have to turn right again. So we get it facing in the right direction to make the little part of our... Oh, wait, no. Okay. I did that wrong. Left. Sorry. So we can create the rest of the L. The rest of the L. Okay, that was awkward. Forward. About 30, not 39. Now we run. Yes, I'm going to keep on running this a lot. T dot right 9 degrees. Actually, this is too small for me. No, I can see. It just looks too small, so let's make it 75. Oh my god. That was so weird and awkward at the same time. Okay. This should be better. Now we do T up forward. We'll do 65. Yes, you can follow along. No one's stopping you. It's just that I am very picky when it comes down to this stuff. So we need to do 59 so we can get probably the best we can. Okay. T dot left. Oh, left. 90 degrees. What? Wait, what just happened? Oh my god. Why did I put it there? Sorry, that was not supposed to happen. No, wait, what? Hey. What? T dot forward 100 and let's see if this works. Okay, so I need to increase this by 1, 2. As you can see, does not get there just yet. So I'm going to try using decimals now. Okay, never mind. That's not going to work. 103. Just a bit more. 5. Let's see if this works. Are you joking? Is it ever going to... Wait. Yeah, okay. There you go. This should be fine. Okay, whatever. No. And then T dot right 90 degrees. And then this one, you have to be really careful. I'm going to try and make it the smallest. Actually, it doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter that much. So even if I go a bit too much, it'll just go back in the line. Oh, come on. 10. And there's our L. And it's on all its glory.